When you push the limits, you need a partner who can endure all stresses. That is essential if you want to win races and fight for overall championship titles.
It's exciting to be part of this progressive transformation. The future is made now in this new space, sustainability digital, and this is what excites us to drive this transformation together with excellent partners.
Berline into second place. 30,000 fans on their feet as Berline gets back into the lead. It's a historic day for Porsche as they take their first Formula E win.
This team is all about racing progress, going up to the limits. We need to stick together. Welcome to Racing in Formula E Loctite.
We do this because we know we can make it. The Heuer Porsche Formula E team races further, stronger and faster.
We as a team have a bond. We stick together against all challenges. It's good to have Loctite as a partner on board.
We are pushing the boundaries of racing and engineering.
Teamwork is crucial in motorsport. We want to become better and faster than the competitors, and that's what we are reaching with Loctite as a partner.
Any product we use is tested under great stress. With Loctite, we found the right partner. Their expertise in adhesives is unparalleled. It's electrifying what we can do.
Here comes the Porsche.
Working with Porsche Motorsport pushes us to create best solutions in this challenging sector.
Our partnership is based on pushing the limits to see how much further we can go.